How to add promo code on Uber app. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. On the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and then select Wallet from the list. In your wallet, you'll find an option that says Add Promo Code, so tap on that and type in the code carefully. Once you hit Add, the code will be saved to your account if it's valid, and you can use it on your next ride. Some promo codes only work in certain areas, for specific type of rides, or for a limited time, so it's always good to check the terms. When you're booking a ride, you can choose your promo under the payment options before you confirm. If the code doesn't seem to work, make sure it's spelled correctly or see if it has already been used or expired. The app also shows your available promos in your wallet so you can easily keep track of them. Adding a promo code is quick, simple, and a great way to save money every time you ride with Uber. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.